Professional performance starts with the right machine. Introducing the TYPHON TERROR XI STORM 1.1-ton mini excavator engineered for precision, power, and reliability in small-scale projects. Built for small construction jobs, this compact excavator moves smoothly in tight spaces, making it perfect for farms, gardens, parks, and public works. A 45-degree left and right boom swing provides extra flexibility where space is limited. The TYPHON TERROR XI STORM is built for versatility, from drilling and digging to rock breaking, landscaping, and construction. Powered by a 7.2 kilonewton digging force and a 1,626 millimeter digging depth, it's ready for any job. A 13.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine provides smooth, reliable power. The hydraulic oil cooler maintains stable performance during extended operation. Used for easy operation, this micro-digger offers smooth control, even for beginners. Optimized ground clearance and a 0.0 to 5 cubic meter bucket make every task efficient and controlled. This machine is equipped with a double-side throttle valve, allowing precise control of hydraulic oil flow in both directions. Enjoy smoother operation, reduced vibration, and easier control for digging, lifting, and rotating. Compact size, serious performance, effortless control. The TYPHON TERROR XI STORM 1.1-ton mini excavator engineered to deliver confidence, efficiency, and precision on every job.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.